Just got the Hoover Powerdash Pet Carpet Cleaner. It's the compact carpet cleaner model. And so I'm just doing a quick unboxing here. I don't have a really large apartment, so this would, I think, would be perfect. It's supposed to be coming with a trial or a little sample fluid, cleaning fluid that goes in it. So let's see what's inside. Okay, it has a quick guide. This is in a different language. I'm not sure what language that is. It looks like it's French. And then we got this in English. Tells you how to put it together. And then it's got instructions, how to use it. Operation, getting started, operation, maintenance, before you begin cleaning, how to replace brush roll, window, troubleshooting, trying to turn the page, well, whatever. And this is the bottle of the liquid. It is 6 fluid ounces. Okay. I got this at Walmart, through Walmart. Let's see, I just bought it yesterday and it's here today. It was their pre-Black Friday sale. It's $129.99 at the Hoover site, and I got it for 68 bucks. So I nabbed it up. So we got the, looks like the container. Okay. And it looks like I'm going to have to just get everything out of here. And I have to lift it out. Hang on. Okay, it comes with the handle and the part that goes onto the handle. So put that together, obviously. It's metal. And then, let's see if I can, I have to excuse the noise in the background. I got my dehydrator going. Hang on. Okay, cute. So this is it. Trying to give a, used to have a, well, I guess my ruler is not in my desk. Here it is. Okay. So it's about 10 inches wide. Of course, when you get the handlebar on there and everything, we got the, I'm assuming that goes in somehow, some way, this way. So, kind of get an idea what's going on here. It's got its cord. So that is out of the box. I'm going to try it, not right now, because it's already getting late in the day. It's already close to dinner time. But Walmart delivered to my door. So if you're a member, it really helps to be a member. They will deliver to your door. A lot of times the stuff is free delivery. So that is the Powerdash, the Hoover Powerdash Pet a compact carpet cleaner, and it would be great for my little place. I mean, I don't have a very big place. Yeah, we'll see how it works. Stay tuned.